At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our brand new Doppio range. The range, entitled Doppio, Italian for double, consists of 2 stunning decors and 2 board styles. You can enjoy the warm and inviting natural oak or the subtle celestial grey. Both come in a standard plank and herringbone style. The Doppio range possesses an AC4 rating and is protected by a 15-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. The plank finishes are fitted using a uni-click fitting system, whilst the herringbone features a groundbreaking uni-zip fitting system. Unlike standard herringbone floors that usually require an A and B sided boards, the Doppio range features a standard board that can be laid either to the left or the right of your herringbone pattern. Starting with the planks, these are engaged at an angle, lowered and tapped into place. The herringbone boards are fitted in the exact same way. The long joint is engaged, lowered and gently tapped into place. The Doppio range is simplicity personified. 2 stunning decors in 2 beautiful plank styles and fitting systems that enable a quick, hassle-free installation. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.